What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed. Here's what we're gonna be doing today. The car came with a turbo. I haven't even really looked at the parts and everything that came with it. So today we are going to look at this turbo setup because I may be putting it on soon. So let's get right into that. I've already taken it out of that, but we're gonna move this on over here so we can see what we got. Okay. Let's see all of the goodies that come with the turbo. We got right here the I think it's the boost controller. Yep, we got the boost controller. I don't even know, it's an auto meter boost controller. Ooh, it's actually a pretty good one. I assume it works. We got the piping, lots of piping, lots of piping. Take all of that shit out. Another pipe over there. Man, we got a whole bag of couplers. Brand new couplers. These are Sport JDMs. That's awesome. Bunch of brand new couplers. Plus a R-Tunes racing coupler right there. And we got, what is this? I think this is my oil feed line adapter and whatnot. I think that's what that is. Not real sure. Actually, that is probably what this is. We got a lot of figuring out. I don't know what that is. It's used though. I know that motherfucker used. Oh, we got the blow off valve, so don't have to worry about that. This is a Type RS blow off valve. It feels kind of cheap, but we're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work. And then of course we got a whole bunch of couplers. Now let's take a look at the big boy to see what all needs to be done with this. Probably a lot. So this is a T3 T4 turbocharger. Essentially it is an eBay turbocharger. Looks well used. Yeah, looks well used. That's okay. We got the it's all assembled and ready to go. We got the Godspeed wastegate. That's awesome. I'm going to need a gasket. I don't have a gasket. I'll probably end up changing this header out, and here's why. Unless I want to re-weld it. I don't know. I really should just re-weld it, because if you see right there, these welds are garbage, and we already gonna have an exhaust leak right there. I may put some JB weld on it, or I may just take it to get re-welded somewhere. Otherwise, it's a pretty good header. We don't have all the bolts in it, so I need to get another bolt for the other side, or it may be good. We already got the oil feed line. This is a huge 10 AN line that's already connected. Don't have to worry about that. I already got the fittings on it. Got a little oil around it, so we know it's been used. Other than that, we got the, let's see what the welds look like on this up pipe. Those look good, so that shouldn't be an issue. They did a pretty good job on that. I need to put some bolts right here though, missing bolts. So whatever that is, I need to replace those. Not sure why we don't have any here, because you can see there's a gap there, so we definitely need them. Might need to put a gasket in there. I know sometimes people don't even run gaskets, but I may need to get one. Apparently they were not running a gasket. Up pipe is all good. Got a bong already drilled in it. Man, I wanted to. I really could go ahead and put this turbo on the car, but it's got stock injectors on it. But what does it matter? I could always replace it. I could just go ahead and get it installed, to say the least, and not even worry about driving it or doing anything. I think I said it in another video. I need to complete this. Injectors, I'm going to go with like a 1100cc or at least 750cc injectors, probably a 340 fuel pump. And I need to go get, and I need Honda, because you can't tune these without some form of chipped ECU. So I think I'm going to go with Honda for that. That's pretty much the most standard. Either that or Neptune. I don't know. I may find an ECU that's already got, that's already chipped. I hope I'm saying it right, and just use that one, and you keep the ECU that's in it as a backup. I'm gonna figure that out though. We're gonna figure that out though. Other than that, it looks to be a pretty good little turbo. All of my fans is in there. Let's see. Nothing is loose. Rotates nicely. Man, I think I'm gonna use it. I was actually debating on just reselling this and getting a whole new kit. But why would I do that and I have a kit that came with the car? It's pretty simple to install too. Got an oil pan in the trunk, got an intercooler in the trunk. I think the intercooler is a Greedy, Greddy. I'm not too familiar with this Honda stuff. I'm still learning the details. But we do have that. One thing I'm noticing is, there's a lot of oil around these fittings. I wonder, I'm hoping, I'm hoping we don't have any oil leaks and shit like that, because that wouldn't be good. Probably not. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not gonna keep y'all in this video. I just wanted to show you the turbo kit that I got that came with the car, and I also wanted to take a good look at it myself to see what I really got. I really hadn't looked at it that much because I wasn't gonna worry about it until I got ready to put it on. But now I've looked at it. Pretty good kit. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think. I know the T3, T4s, people run those all the times. The ball bearings still seem to be pretty good in this one. It's a pretty small turbo, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Now this is a top mounted turbo. Another reason why I'm thinking about replacing this header is to make it a bottom mounted turbo and then run exhaust out the back. Kind of make it a sleeper type of car. I don't know. These headers are so inexpensive. So I don't know. I may go ahead and get it and then make up my mind at that particular time. This your boy Jay Reed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.